Hi students, topic name building with bricks. In that lesson already we have seen different types of brick patterns. And then mirror halves in the brick patterns. You just recall it. Today we are going to see next topic. How to draw a brick. Open your book to page number 4. See, these are two photos of the same brick. These are the two photos of the same brick. So, you just see that. In one photo, we can see only one face of the brick. Which one is the only one face of the brick? This one or this one? This is the one face of the brick. In the other, we can see three faces. Circle the photo showing three faces. Which one is the three faces? This one or this one? This is, see, 1, 2 and then 3. So, circle the photo showing three faces. You just circle it. How many faces in all does a brick have? Now, I am going to draw a brick. See, brick has how many faces? 6 faces. And how many corners? How many edges? 12 edges. And then finally corners. How many corners does brick have? 8 corners. So how many faces? 6 faces. Now look at the book. How many faces in all does a brick have? How many faces? 6. So you write the number here. Is any face a square? See, look at here. Is any face a square in the brick? No. Only rectangle. So here you write no. Draw the smallest face of the brick. Again. Wait. Which one is the smallest face of the brick? This 2 only. So, you just draw this. Next question. Which of these are the faces of a brick? You put a tick mark. Which are the faces of the brick? This one and this one. These shapes and all different. See, easily you can identify the faces of the brick. And then next question. Which of this is a drawing of a brick? Put a tick mark. Which of this drawing of a brick? Can you identify? This is the drawing of a brick. Make a drawing of this box to show 3 of its faces. Now I draw. See, 1, 2, 3. Make a drawing of this box to show 3 of its faces. So, 3 faces of the box. You draw the picture here. Can you make a drawing of a brick which show 4 of its faces? It can't. So, you just write no. And next page. A wall that will not fall. One day, Munia and Zainab are playing with bricks and making their walls. This is Zainab wall and this one is Munia wall. Each makes a different wall. Zainab says her wall will not fall easily. Mentions to do not put bricks one on the top of the other as Munia has done. What do you think? Which wall will be a stronger? you just do this activity and then you tell which wall be a stronger. Look for the walls where can you see a different brick patterns and then different wall patterns. Here are the photos of different wall patterns. Here are photos of 3 kinds of brick walls. See, 3 kinds of brick walls. Can you see the difference in the way of bricks are placed? Yes, each one is a different. Now match the photo of each wall with the correct drawing below. See, first one is big brick and then small one. Which photo is here? Small and big and small? This one. So you match this. And then this one, see again, big brick and small one. Big one and then small one. Which one? Here. Big one, small one. Big one, small one. So this one. At last, this is. You just match this picture in the correct order. Now again, turn the next page. Look through a brick jali. The Martians who built a Jagriti school had also made a different jali patterns on the wall. Jali patterns means these and all the jali patterns using the bricks. See how many different jali patterns can you see in these 2 photos. See how many jali pattern. This one is this one pattern and this one another pattern. Third one 4. We can see 4 different jali patterns. So you write the number 4 and see the next page. This is a drawing of another beautiful jali. This is the drawing of another beautiful jali. Now color some bricks red and make your own jali patterns in the wall drawn below. You just take the red color sketch and use shade the brick and you make a new type of jali patterns. Can you see the window in this photo of school? See, this is the window where in Joraka, in the window Joraka. And then next one. Now draw some Joraka patterns on the walls here. You can shade it black. You just draw the pattern and shade it. Using a pencil, you shade it. Turn the next page. This jali is from library building in Kerala. See, this is the library building in Kerala. See how the edge of the bricks is used to make a triangle in the wall. See here, triangle shape. See, triangle shape. And the next picture. Have you seen the bricks that look triangle? Look at the bricks around the tree in this photo. See, this one also triangle. And do you see the arch in this photo? See, this one is the arch. This is from a school of Fazidabad. Find out, look for other arches around you and draw them. You just see your surroundings and draw the arch pattern. Next page. Have you seen the arches in a bridge? Yes, here this one is the arch. Where else have you seen a? Turn the next page. Have you seen arches in a bridge? See, this one is a arch in the bridge. Where else have you seen an arch? You just write where have you seen the arch and then a special arch. In this photo of architecture, see how the arch is made. It has a nice name, Gungat Wali Mehrab. Gungat Wali Mehrab. The arch with the veil. See, this is a arch but different types, different pattern. This one also arch but it is look like different. Isn't the jolly of this window beautiful? Yes, this window made up of jolly. So this one is very beautiful. It is made up of thin brick. This jali is made up of thin brick. Have you ever seen a thin bricks? Have you seen? You just recall that. Look around your place. You just see the thin bricks. Thank you, students.